Okay, my name is Jim, but everybody calls me Snake. I'm a old Harley guy and wanted to get something different in my later years, and I always wanted one of these cars. I saw them years and years ago and still have to get the hair in the wind type thing, so I wanted a convertible and just thought that this would be a unique car to have, and I love it. I bought it about a year and a half ago. I'm the second owner on the car. It's a 2001 Plymouth Prowler. They made less than 12,000 of these from 97 to 2002. And this is my pride and joy. I kid around telling people it's Harley orange, but it's really not. It's just metallic orange. They only made a little over 700 of these out of 12,000 cars. But it's my summer car. It's something that's different. People like it because they haven't seen a lot of them. I did a lot of modifications to the car. I did vertical doors on it, took off the front bumpers, chromed out the engine, painted the engine, painted the rear bumpers. So a lot of TLC just to make it different and make it mine.
Do you want to walk around and show me about your vehicle?
If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It helps this channel grow.
We'll start off with the license plate, Snake Man. Gotta be different. That's where I started from. And like I say, I painted the bumpers to match. Went and did the vertical doors. Makes it a lot easier getting in and out, but it also adds a cool factor to it. It's an automatic transmission, 3.5 V6, 253 horse.
Let's look at that.
3.5, 253 horse. It's only a V6, but the car only weighs 2,800 pounds, so the horsepower to weight ratio is very high. 0 to 60 in 5 seconds, which is pretty much equal to any of your muscle cars.
Let's do a little snake.
Gotta stand out.
Yes.
I took off the front bumpers, added all the chrome in the front. It gives it an old 37 Ford hot rod look to it. I think that's about it.
You drive it a lot?
I drive it anytime I can. This is not a car I keep in the garage. I drive it to work every day when it's sunny, warm, and no rain. It's not a trailer queen.
Let's look at the interior real quick.
Strictly a two-seater. Obviously a convertible. The only thing it's lacking is luggage space. There is none. You have 1.2 cubic feet of space in the rear, and that's it. No suitcases in this baby.
But you could fit maybe a golf bag?
Not even a golf bag.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the show.